How to fix PUBG BLINDSPOT is crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is finished, you want to go back to the general tab and add the following command in the Nosh options box, which is -dx11. Now you can simply close Steam and open up your browser, search for Redist, click on the first Microsoft link, and from the second table here you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables. Now once you finish that, it will ask you to restart your system, and after the restart you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And one last step you can do is also check if you have the latest GPU updates installed. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need the NVIDIA app. And for AMD, you will need the AMD software. And from there, you can download and install the latest available drivers. And next, all you need to do is launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.